vacuum motor change out on a PRO14, PRO18.
First thing you want to do is open the door. On the inside, I've done remove this strap, but there's a strap that screws to the front of the door. You'll take that screw out, remove the strap from the door. That'll let you open it up like this. You do not want to let the door fold all the way down because it'll break your hinges. Just prop it up against something so you've got a little 90-degree angle on it right here. That's fine. Then you've got screws that hold this cover on. This is your vacuum motor cover. There's a screw here, 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 and here.
Oh, look, there. Okay.
All right, you're going to remove the Phillips screws. One back here. One here. One here.
He's so cavalier with a drill.
Okay, now, once you get the screws out, just lift up the cover, and that gets you into the vacuum motor compartment. Just remove your filter assembly. This here, it just slides into place. Now you can lift your motor out of the housing, and if you'll notice, your wires, you've got one here. Just be careful when you pull these off, and don't pull the ends off of your wires. Pull this wire off. Now you have a ground wire and it's marked. Now, make sure you save this, don't throw this away. Now, take your new motor, put your lower bushing, and if you notice it's got 4 pins that line up with the large and small openings.
Okay.
And it should set flush to the bottom of the unit.
No gap. Gotcha.
Then connect your wires.
Does it matter which one you start with?
Either one of the black wires you can interchange on either of these, but not on the one that's marked with the yellow triangle. That's your ground. Connect this wire. Now, this one will be a little harder to get to because it's buried up inside here.
Okay, let's see if I can get an angle there.
But you'll be able to see the connector up inside the housing.
I believe we can see it.
And just connect your wire to that.
Now, hold it up so everybody can double check. Perfect.
Okay, now you've got a cutout here for your lower bushing. Slide that in. Make sure your brushes, the silver projections, are crossway this way. That'll make it easier about getting your cover back on.
Okay.
Now, you're going to want to remove this from your filter. And if you'll look at the lower portion, there's a small tab molded into it.
Okay.
Now, inside the housing, there's a notch for that.
Okay.
Right there. Now, slide it into the groove in front of the motor. Turn it so that your notch lines up with your groove.
This is not the easiest angle to film at.
Something like that right there.
Perfect.
Now, you put your motor cover back on, which green strap towards the top of the unit, big opening up, no opening down. Just slide it into position, make sure your grill lines up with the notch.
Beautiful.
Okay, and reattach your screws. Just be careful when you draw this down. Make sure you get a good seal all the way around. If you don't pull your screws all the way down, you'll have a vacuum leak, so you'll have no vacuum on your hose. Screw already in there.
Are you noticing the finesse in his technique?
Pull your cover back off. It's easier to take your screws out because they'll hang you out. Make sure all your screws are out. Now let's try this again.
We don't worry, you're a professional.
The last screws back here. All right. Now your filter has just got a pin in the center that lines up with the hole in the grill. Hold it right here in the center of the grill.
Gotcha.
And just line the pin with the opening. There we go, that's attached. Now just fold your door back up. Easiest way to put the strap back on is to hold it at an angle like this. With a short screwdriver, you can reattach your screw to the door.
Perfect.
And once you have that on, put your new bag in, close the door, and you're ready to go.